Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix assistive touch not working and stuck on iOS 17. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now scroll down and click on general. Then here scroll down to the end and click on transfer or reset iPhone, and then click on reset. Now here click on reset all settings and then enter your screen time passcode, and after that click on reset all settings. So it will reset your all settings, but it will not delete any data from your iPhone. So after that restart your iPhone. So to restart, press and hold your power button and volume down button at the same time. Now slide this icon to right side to restart your iPhone. So after restarting, the assistive touch will start working properly. But if it's still not working properly, then open settings again and click on general, then click on software update. Now here check if your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS or not. So if your iPhone is not updated, then first of all update your iPhone, and after updating your iPhone, the assistive touch will start working properly. So but if it's still not working, then open settings, scroll down and click on accessibility, and then click on touch. Now here click on assistive touch, and here first of all click on idle opacity and adjust it to 40%, and after that go back and click on customize top level menu, then here click on reset. So after resetting, the assistive touch will start working properly. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.